Hey guys, Jade Alpine Company's on another epoxy injection project. Got our ports on, got our crack sealed. Just going to show how nice and slow you want to inject these. There's an air bubble right here. You just want to get that guy moving. Nice and slow. Each port can take anywhere from 5 minutes to 30 minutes to inject. It's just a real slow, tedious project. You have cracks in your foundation, need epoxy injection. Check us out, www.alpinecompanies.com. Click on my YouTube link. You can watch over 2,000 videos of my projects. Thanks for watching, Jade Alpine. Epoxy injection.